Ever felt your Nissan steering wheel start to shake just as you hit highway speeds? It's distracting, even a little worrying, but don't panic. Most of the time, it's just unbalanced tires, not a major repair. In this video, I'll show you how to spot the signs, check your tires at home, and get back to a smooth, confident drive. No mechanic required. Unbalanced tires are a common issue. Even new wheels and tires have spots that are slightly heavier or lighter, and this small difference can cause noticeable vibration as you drive. As the wheel spins, the heavy spot throws off balance, sending vibrations through your steering and suspension. This makes your ride less comfortable and can affect control. Tire shops use computer balancers to find and fix these imbalances by attaching small weights to the rim, restoring smooth rotation. Over time, weights can fall off, or tires can wear unevenly, causing imbalance again. Regular balancing keeps your ride smooth, extends tire life, and keeps you safe. Start with a test drive. Pay close attention to when and where the vibration happens. Is it only at certain speeds or always present? The more specific you are, the easier it is to find the cause. If the steering wheel shakes, especially between 45 and 70 mph, the issue is likely with a front tire or wheel. If you feel the vibration more in your seat or floor, it's probably coming from the rear tires or wheels. If the vibration gets worse when braking, your brake rotors may be warped. Did you recently get new tires, hit a pothole, or repair a flat? Even small impacts can throw off balance. If the vibration started after a tire service, a wheel weight may have fallen off, or a tire wasn't balanced perfectly. Now let's check your tires and wheels for any obvious issues. Park on a level surface and inspect your tires and rims. Look for missing wheel weights. Clean spots or adhesive residue are big clues. Remove any debris stuck in the tread like rocks or tar. Check for rim damage or dents. A bent rim needs more than just balancing. Feel the tread for uneven wear. Choppy or scalloped patterns mean long-term balance issues or worn shocks. If you're comfortable, jack up the car and spin the wheel by hand. Look for wobbles or hops. Major issues will be obvious, but a shop's balancer is still the final word. Quick checks now can save you money later. Safety first. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Always use jack stands on a solid level surface and chock the wheels. Find your Nissan's correct jacking points in the owner's manual. Position the jack, lift the car, and set the jack stand under a strong frame point. Lower the car onto the stand, never on suspension parts or the floor pan. Double-check stability before working. Leave the jack as a backup, but the stand does the real work. Now you're ready for inspection or wheel removal. If your inspection points to unbalanced tires, it's time for a tire shop. Ask specifically for a tire balance. Mention if it's the front or all four. Balancing is quick and affordable, usually $15–25 per tire. Request adhesive weights for alloy wheels to avoid rim damage. A full balance and rotation is best for even wear and a smooth ride. By diagnosing the issue yourself, you avoid unnecessary repairs and save money. Be clear with the shop about what you want. They'll appreciate it. Soon, you'll be back on the road, shake-free. After balancing, take your Nissan for a test drive on the same stretch of highway. The steering wheel should now be smooth, no more annoying shake. If the vibration is gone, congrats, you fixed it yourself and saved cash. If it's still there, check wheel alignment or for bent rims. Sometimes the issue is deeper. Persistent shakes could mean worn suspension or steering parts. Consult a mechanic if needed. The key is, you've ruled out the most common, cheapest fix first. That's smart DIY diagnostics. Enjoy your smooth ride. You earned it.